All right, so let's make potato salad. I already have my eggs. And just do a sweet pickle. So we normally do like pickle radish in our potato salad. I like the sweetness. A little bit of sandwich spread. Mayo. A little bit of mustard. A little bit of mustard. I like sandwich spread. My mom taught me this. And again, I don't like my potato salad to be like watery. I like to have a little bit of thickness. So here's it so far. So here's it so far. Probably add one more egg and one more potato. So we're making potato salad. So I just added a little more mayo sandwich spread. Because I don't want it to be too soupy. And do a little bit of sugar. And I still have one egg and some more potatoes left. So if I feel like I want to do that, I can. So here's my potato salad. I think I'm done. All right, so I'm done with my potato salad. I'm just gonna wash this out, transfer it. Again, you can make potato salad however you want to do it, but mine's is simple. Just potatoes, eggs, mustard, sandwich spread, and that's it. And a little bit of sugar. We're gonna, call it a day. And we're gonna let it chill. And that's that. We're gonna clean our mess up. And we're gonna, store it away. All right, guys, so we're making Thanksgiving dinner. I have my turkey wings. I have my veggies. I have the veggies, some seasoning, a lemon pepper, some chicken bouillon cubes in the bottle, some seasoned tenderizer. Got to have my salzone. Got to have my ranch seasoning. This is a game changer, the poultry seasoning. Chopped up onions, chicken broth. Got my chicken broth. And I'm going to season. Put some chicken broth in my seasoning. So here are my turkey wings. I already seasoned them. I'm going to rub that seasoning in. And I'm going to add I'm going to rub the seasoning in first. Then I'm going to add the veggies. So my seasonings I added were, yeah. You should go back and watch the first part of the video and see what seasonings I added. But yeah, we're going to rub that in and yeah. All right, so we're doing the ham now. We got the brown sugar, mustard, and pineapples. That's it. And here is the ham. It's a... Yep, this is a ham. So let's get into it. All right, so now I'm going to do my cabbage. So here's, and again, well, if you don't know, it's not a lot of people in my house, so I'm not making a lot of food. So here's my cabbage. I'll wash it off. There's not a lot of people in my house, so I don't make a lot of food. So here's my cabbage. And in my cabbage, I add sausage, shrimp, and bacon. That's what goes in my cabbage. So I already washed my cabbage off. And I'm just gonna, steam it. So here's the cabbage. Kind of like mix all of that in. My hands are clean. So I'm doing my cabbage. So I'm gonna add chicken broth. Some chicken broth. My seasonings. And I like the way I cook my cabbage. I don't know, I don't really like the restaurant type cabbage. I already got a chicken bouillon cube in there already, a smaller one. So I'm just gonna season it first. And again, I like my cabbage the way I like it, but I'm just showing y'all. Put a salzone. So with my cabbage, I like to season it before, and then I'm going to season it as I go. So I'm just gonna steam it. I like my cabbage flavorful, so I'm gonna add a little water. And I think I still need some more seasoning. So, yeah, we're doing cabbage. So I need to find the top to this. And I think I need some more seasoning. Add some more salzone. I'm going to let it steam first, and then I'm going to add more seasoning. So, here's the ham. This is my ham. These are my turkey wings. Like tender. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good. Give thanks unto the... All right, so we're finishing up Thanksgiving. And so I didn't do any sweets. Normally I do my own cakes, try to do sweet potato pie. I wasn't really feeling that this year. So we stopped by Mickey's and got our sides, and I did our meats. But this is the strawberry cake. You know, I devoured that. Damon had a little bit of the cake. So this is a strawberry cake. 2 thumbs up. Was good. Damon had the sweet potato pie, which was good. So that was our dessert. Now I'm not feeling well, so now I'm about to get ready to relax even more. But yeah.